Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on EMPORIA Smart 5. So you have to start with opening your internet browser. Then you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yahoo.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. Now you can click here on the three dots icon and then go to settings, then click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yahoo.com option, so you can select that and then you can click back. And as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yahoo. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.